My manager is not supporting or promoting me internally with the company. The company where I work has limited opportunities. Whereas these might be good valid reasons for slow career advancement, there is also another pillar that plays a crucial role in your advancement. Skills. Have you mapped your skills requirements for the next position, and are you executing on that plan? In this video, we will get you going on that acceleration. Hi, it's Lassi Alvin. Welcome to my channel, where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented professionals like yourself. In case you would like to get weekly career acceleration tips, subscribe to my channel below and hit the notification bell. Back in time, the name of the game was get a degree, find a job, do a good job, learn by doing, and advance by tenure, and then retire peacefully. Not so anymore, for two reasons. Number one, short tenures at companies. You are your own lifelong brand and base that you promote to the world, not to a particular company anymore. Number two, tech moves fast. Unless you keep up and learn, it's going to hurt your career advancement very quick. Bottom line is, if we want to build career advancement to the future, we need to be constantly learning and updating our skills, and of course in the areas that we find interesting and useful. So what does this mean? Always having a bridge, a plan from your current position, internally or externally, to your next future position. And this is not just a plan, but to have an online program or other training in execution at all times. So how do we get started, and what should we look at? Number one, forget the company. Focus on your career journey. Remember those 3 to 5 year average stays at companies. You can't build your core competencies just for the company. You need to build them for yourself, that you will then display and promote to the world. Number two, set the target. Without a target where you're going to be advancing to, whether it's lateral to a division, whether it's moving to another industry, or going up in the division where you are, you need to have a target. Without a target, everything kind of goes vague and fades away, and then after 3 or 5 years you realize that you're still thinking about the plan. Number three, investigate and map what is needed in terms of skills on the next level or change. Observe the next level executives, managers. What do they have? What are they good at? What do you need to pick up? What do you need to bridge to be able to consider it for that position? Basically, it's how do I lower the risk by having enough skills that the company will consider me? Number four, build that bridge. Look what you need to learn. What are the components that you need to pick up to be considered? And then number five, prioritize those points and start learning. If those are programs that need considerable financing, then hopefully your company will pay for that, because there's a good chance that that training also supports your deliverables in your current position. But don't count on that. It's your plan, it's your brand. If it's a reasonable expense, put that expense in place. Number six, start marketing that you have the skills. When you have them, when you acquire them, certifications, diplomas, market them internally and externally in a professional way. The world needs to know that you have them. Okay, so what to look at then for that bridge? Covering all the topics would take a course, but here are some ideas that you can think of already. communication skills, verbal and presentation skills, technical skills, strategy skills, team management skills, leadership skills, time management skills, project management, and of course, language skills and influencing skills. Just to give you a few examples, but you get the idea. There's so much more out there that you can observe, have a look, bridge, map, and learn. The key message here is that your advancement depends on the structure of the company, that's given, opportunities, your networking skills, but also increasingly on the skills pillar. Your current skills, your constant development, and how you let the world know that you have acquired the skills. Again, previous point 1, your skills for the world and not for one company only. So let's get busy and start building powerful skills bridges to your next position. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.